Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 9, sy is equal to 20. Here we have x plus y is equal to 9. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 9. Let us make y the subject. Y is equal to 9 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 20. Let us substitute for y, which is 9 minus x. S bracket 9 minus x is equal to 20. Let us open the bracket. X multiplied by 9. 9x minus x multiplied by minus x. Minus x multiplied by x. X squared is equal to 20. 9x minus x squared minus 20 is equal to 0 if you equate everything to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus x squared plus 9x minus 20 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus x squared divided by minus 1. This will give x squared plus 9x divided by minus 1. This will give minus 9x minus 20 divided by minus 1. This will give plus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using factorization method. The whole of this can be written as x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Then if you consider this, we have s bracket s minus 4 minus 5 bracket s minus 4 is equal to 0. Here s minus 4 is common. Let's break it out. We have s minus 4 bracket s and minus 5 here. We have s minus 5 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 4. Let us call this s1. And the second case, s minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 5. Let us call this s2. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, then from equation 3, y is equal to 9 minus x. y1 is equal to 9 minus x1. y1 is equal to 9 minus s1 is 4. y1 is equal to 9 minus 4. This is 5. Then y2 is equal to 9 minus s2. y2 is equal to 9 minus s2 is 5. y2 is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 4, 5. Then s2, y2 is equal to 5, 4. These are the corresponding values of x and y. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the values of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 9, sy is equal to 20. Now let us consider this. S plus y, this can be written as 4 plus 5 must be equal to 9. And of course, 4 plus 5, this is 9, is equal to 9, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this can be written as 4 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 20. Then 4 multiplied by 5, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.